Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends in Darkest Days. If you're playing Darkest Days and want to add another player to your friends list, firstly open up the Darkest Days application on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the tablet or the phone icon at the top right corner. Now from the expanded menu, tap on Friends. Once you're inside the Friends list tab, click on Add Friend from the top, and in the search bar, go ahead and enter the name of the character you want to add as a friend. Once you type in the name, tap on Search, and from the search result, go ahead and find your friend and tap on Request Friend. Click on Request Friend once again to send in the friend request. Repeat this step for every other friend addition. I'm gonna type in another name over here. From the search result, tap on the Request Friend option once again to add that specific friend. Now, once the other player accepts your request, you'll be able to be friends and they'll be added in your friends list in the game. Make sure you're sending the request to the correct player. So that's how you successfully add friends in Darkest Days. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.